Welcome to Eco Valves, offering ecological solutions for the draining of water from hydrocarbon storage tanks since 1997. The TOO separation valve is a self-operated, automatic draining valve easily installed flange to flange at the existing draining gate valve. The TOO will allow you to drain your bottom oily water efficiently with zero emission. According to the amount of hydrocarbon deadleg, you can select a manual, electric, or pneumatic pump to return the deadleg back to the storage tank. Operation. Open the storage tank main draining valve. Use the pump to return the hydrocarbon deadleg back to the storage tank until water appears. Make sure that the TOO valve is full with water by using the visual oil water indicator or the sampling valve. Make sure that the drain valve is in the closed position. Open the pressure equalizing valve for 5 to 6 seconds. Open the drain valve. The water will be drained through the existing pipe systems and sumps to the OWS or slop tank. The TOO valve has a built-in anti-vortex system that will not create any emulsion and will allow only water to be drained. Once the water has drained, the calibrated float will sense the hydrocarbon and sink to the bottom, and the TOO valve will close automatically drip tight. The TOO water buffer zone will guarantee that water will remain contained inside and that oil cannot pass through. Leave the drain valve in the closed position so that it will be ready for the next draining.